Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and now we're going to take and put a deck on the front of the house, which will be the second story of the house on Hill Road in Boise, Idaho. This will give us front to back ventilation in the house. So we've added a ledger board, and now we're just throwing the joist up there. Well, we had the post already concreted in the ground, and as you can see, the joists are in, and they're nice and level. We've got posts standing proud. And the way we're getting up there to work is we're using a ladder right now, but we're also going to be using that window will open in the top and can be propped open. So as you can see here, those were a little out of order, but here's the ledger board that we sunk and anchored to the house. So now we have a place for all our joist hangers and our joist that will go out to the ledger that's on the post, and that will be the support for our deck. It's fairly close to the road up at the front corner, but it'll be nice because with a door up there, we'll be able to come out on the front and be able to sit and enjoy the traffic on Hill Road. It will also put the door on the first floor in shadow, and that will help save some of the grass down there because it won't be hit by direct sunlight. And so here's another shot of the joist all in place. The garden path goes through there. Now here's all the decking down on it, and then we'll be finishing up with the railing that will all go into this. There'll be no ladder on the outside for the way down. And then here's what it looks like from underneath to the garden path around to the driveway and all. And as you can see, it keeps it nice and it's in shade. Here's the staircase going up to where that window is, and that window is going to become a door. And as we speak, here it is. It is now a door. And here's what it looks like on the inside, and then we'll have a shot of it on the outside. And here's the door looking pretty nice from the outside. So now we can go in and out and onto the deck. This deck will be stained the same color that we're going to do the fence and the back deck on. It's going to be Bear's Honey Cedar 501 stain. There's the number for you. Now, when you're on the deck, here's looking to the west along Hill Road. The church is right there on your right shoulder, and then you can turn around and you can look the other way and you look into the trees and you can smell the irrigation ditch. You can feel the water coming around that side of the house. And if you turn and you look the other way, there's the look along Hill Road. And then finally, we're going to have the gate and the staining on everything. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found this deck project on the house on Hill Road in Boise useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.